Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaina. I'm a physical therapist. In today's video, I'll be discussing about nerve impingement in your neck. If you have pain or stiffness along with radiating pain going down to your arm and your hands, then this video is for you. The main causes of nerve impingement are herniated disc, degenerative disc disease, spinal stenosis, cervical spondylosis, injury or poor posture. I'll be demonstrating a few exercises today which are going to help you manage your pain and also reduce symptoms. So let's get started. The first exercise is chin tuck. We are going to strengthen up our neck muscles. So what you're going to do, sit straight and you're going to look forward. Make sure you're not looking down or up. Your gaze should be straight forward. Now from here, tuck in your chin. You're going to make the double chin. Hold this position for at least 1 to 2 seconds and relax. Go for at least 10 reps into 2 sets. Keep your back straight and relax. The second exercise is chin tuck with extension. For this one, we're going to use the towel. So sit straight on the chair, take the towel and place it around your neck. Now pull the towel forward. Now first we'll go for chin tuck. Maintain that posture and now you will go for extension. And relax. Again, tuck in your chin. Maintain that posture and go for extension. Go for at least 10 reps. Into 2 sets. And relax. The next exercise is scapular squeeze. For this one, you're going to sit straight and relax your shoulder. Make sure you're not going for shrug. We are going to take our shoulder blade back and pull them down. Hold this position for 5 seconds and relax. Go again. Take your shoulder blade back and pull them down. Squeeze for 5 seconds and relax. Go for at least 10 reps into 2 to 3 sets. And relax. For the next exercise, we are going to use the foam roller. I'm using 36-inch foam roller. Lie down on the foam roller. Your neck and pelvic should be balanced. Now from here, you're going to relax your arm on the side. You'll feel a lot of stretch here on your shoulders as well as your chest. We can also include chin tuck in this position. So tuck in your chin. You can strengthen up your neck muscles and relax. You can set the timer and do this for at least 1 minute and into 2 to 3 sets. Breathe in and breathe out. And relax. The next exercise is also on the foam roller. So what you're going to do, same position, keep your arms on the side. Now take your arm up, we'll go for angels. And bring it down. Go for 10 reps into 2 to 3 sets. Focus on your breaths. And relax. The next exercise is wall angels. We'll do against the wall. So your hip and shoulder should touch the wall and your head. Now keep your arm in 90-degree angle and take it up and slowly bring it down. You're working on your upper back. Go for at least 10 reps into 2 to 3 sets and relax. The last exercise is upper trap stretch. For this one, we are going to sit straight. Now take your one arm behind your back. Now stretch your neck towards the opposite side. You'll feel the stretch here. Take the same hand which side you're stretching and pull it down. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Breathe naturally and relax. Switch other side. Take it towards the opposite side. Go for 3 reps each side and relax. I'll put down the link in the description for nerve flossing for unlearned median and radial nerve. You can check it out, and I hope you feel better with these exercises. And if you like my content, do like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.